Have you ever seen a creature that moves without legs, hears without ears, and senses the world without needing to see it? Welcome to Through the Wild Network. Make sure to turn on subtitles for a better experience, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily wildlife discoveries. Today, we explore the incredible toolset of one of the most fascinating reptiles on Earth, the python. This animal isn't just a snake, it's a masterpiece of adaptation and design. Let's take a closer look at the specialized tools that make the python a master of its environment. First, its muscles. A python's long, cylindrical body is made almost entirely of strong, flexible muscle. These muscles don't just help it move. They allow it to climb trees, squeeze through tight spaces, and support its entire body weight while suspended from branches. Its strength with precision. Next, its movement system. Pythons don't slither randomly. Their movement is powered by thousands of belly scales working in coordination with their muscles. This motion, called rectilinear locomotion, allows them to move forward silently and steadily, even in complex terrains like forests or rocky outcrops. It's smooth, stealthy, and efficient. Now, let's talk about its sensory tools. Along the python's upper and lower jaws are special pits, heat-sensing organs. These allow the python to detect even the slightest temperature changes in its surroundings. Whether it's tracking body heat or sensing warm surfaces, these tools give the python a sixth sense. Then there's its skin, another incredible adaptation. Covered in tough, dry scales, a python's skin is both armor and camouflage. It protects against rough terrain, helps retain moisture in dry climates, and reflects the colors of its environment. This makes it nearly invisible to the untrained eye. Another tool? Flexibility. A python's body isn't just strong, it's incredibly bendable. It can coil, stretch, twist, and turn in almost any direction, allowing it to navigate trees, holes, and undergrowth with ease. This flexibility helps it conserve energy while staying alert and ready to react. Its jaw structure is also worth mentioning, not for biting or eating, but for how it supports the skull. The lower jaw is connected by stretchy ligaments that give it a wide range of motion. This design is also shock-absorbing, protecting the skull during sudden movements or when navigating rough terrain. And then there's the tongue, a simple yet powerful sensor. The python constantly flicks its tongue to gather tiny particles from the air and ground. These particles are passed to a sensory organ called the Jacobson's organ, located in the roof of the mouth. This allows the python to literally taste the air, helping it map out the world in front of it. Finally, we can't ignore its lungs. Pythons have an extended respiratory system, with one long lung that stretches almost a third of the body length. This allows for efficient breathing, even when the snake is moving through narrow spaces or staying underwater for long periods. From head to tail, the python is packed with finely tuned tools, not just for survival, but for thriving in environments that challenge most other animals. So, next time you see a python, don't just look at it as a snake. See it for what it truly is, a living machine, engineered by nature over millions of years, strong, silent, and superbly equipped. If you enjoyed this look at one of nature's most perfectly designed reptiles, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Through the Wild Network. And let us know in the comments, which animal should we decode next? Thanks for watching, and remember, the wild is never far away.